Today we are going to do remaining questions of exercise 2C. So we'll start from question number 7. So question number 7 is multiplication. Okay, I'm going to do these two parts. You have to multiply this rational number by this one, 4 by 15 multiply by 3 by 8. So you can do cutting. For 1s are 4, for 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 2. So it has become 1 by 10. Similarly, second part is you have to multiply 3 by 11 by minus 2 by 9. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So it has become 1 by 11 and minus 2 by 3. So minus 2 and 11 3s are 33. Now you have to do third part by yourself. The next question number 8 is, first part is minus 8 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 4 plus you have to solve the brackets first, minus 16 by 25. So for 1s are 4, for 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 1 plus 7 by 1 multiplied by minus 2 by 25. So now we will multiply them. It will become minus 6 by 5 plus minus 14 by 25. So now you have to add or subtract these two fractions, and for that you have to make their denominator same. While doing multiplication we don't need to make the denominator same. So it will be, if we make the denominator same, we will have to multiply this fraction by 5. So it will become minus 30 by 25 and this plus minus minus 14 by 25. Now minus is plus, so 30 plus 14 is 44, and we have negative sign with greater sign, so it will be minus 44 by 25. So this is the answer. Now you have to, now we'll do second part, third part. Second part is your homework. I'm going to do third part. Third part is the same, but we have three brackets there. So we will solve the brackets first, then at the end we will do add or subtract according to the sign. So third question is minus 3 by 4 multiplied by minus 8 by 15 minus, okay, instead of writing the question again here, I can do cutting. Yeah, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, and 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So I'm going to write the remaining question here. We have got 1 here, 1 by 1 multiplied by minus 2 by 5. 2 by 1 multiplied by minus 1 by 5. Then minus 4 by 1 multiplied by minus 2 by 15. Now we will multiply them. Minus plus, 2 1s are 2. 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus plus, so for 2s are 8 by 15. So to make their denominator same, we will have to multiply this one by 3 and this one by also 3. So it will become 6 by 15 minus plus 6 by 15 and minus 8 by 15. Now their denominator is same. 6 plus 6 is 12 and 12 minus 8 is 4. So it will be 4 by 15. Now third part, second part is your homework. Okay, in this question we have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So first we will take left hand side, which is minus 5 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 15 multiplied by minus 3 by 4. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So we have got minus 1 by 6 here and multiply by minus 3 by 4. So it has become minus minus plus and 6 fours are 24. You can also do cutting because 3 8s are 24. So it is 1 by 8. Now in the same way you have to solve the right hand side and answer should be 1 by 8. You have to solve right hand side by yourself. Answer should be 1 by 8. Okay, question number 10 is again the same. You have to solve left hand side and right hand side. Solving right hand side is very easy. It is similar to question number 8. So I will solve the left hand side. Minus 2 by 3, 4 by 5 plus minus 8 by 15. First you have to solve the bracket. And for that you have to make the denominator same. So you will have to multiply this one by 3. So it will become 12 by 15 plus minus 8 by 15. So what is 12 minus 8? 4. 4 by 15. Now they are getting multiplied. So 4 twos are 8 and 15 threes are 45. So minus 8 by 45 is the answer. Now you have to solve right hand side by yourself and answer should be minus 8 by 45. Then last question is division. Okay, so we have already studied this in previous grades that whenever we divide fractions, you have to take reciprocal of the next fraction. You are dividing 4 by minus 2 by 5, so you will convert this division sign into multiplication, and this fraction we will take reciprocal. It will become minus 5 by 2. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Minus minus plus and 5 twos are 10. So 10 is the answer. Then second part is 15 by 7. Change division sign into multiplication and next fraction will be inverted. It will become 14 by 5. Now cutting. It will become minus 6 by 1. It means minus 6. Similarly, you have to do third and fourth part. I'm going to do last part, which is fifth. Okay, fifth part is minus 6 by 15. Change division sign into multiplication. So it will become 35 by 4. So 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Then 5 threes are 15 and 5 sevens are 35. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. So it has become minus 7 by 2. Now this is all your homework which you have to do on loose sheets. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.